will too. Yes, bless you.
Oh my,
Leave her alone.
She had snot on her nose.
She's okay. She'll get it off in a minute. She'll probably wipe her nose in the grass.
Ew.
Miss Bunny, don't mess with Jessica's little thing over there. Bunny. Hi, Care Bear. Kiki, Care Bear. She says, nope, not gonna look at you.
Bear's not Bun.
She ain't doing nothing. Quit howling at her for no reason. She's over there playing with Jessica's sticks. You two look so innocent. We know better, don't we?